loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliyah if you didn't already know, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button right down below so you don't miss no more random content from me, because that's what this is. I was supposed to be making like a dermaplaning video for clear skin or whatever. I still am, but something took my attention. Something else took my attention. The fact that I don't have a backdrop and you can see my messy ass room. I got real creative. Let me show y'all something real quick. These are random pieces of things I found all over the house. Oh my gosh. I'm like, what is this? Okay, so I'm trying to make a backdrop. I wanted to hang from the ceiling. All the walls in my room are currently occupied. Like, I can't record on the back wall. So I wanted to hang from the ceiling. So what I did was, I took a hanger. I broke the end pieces off, like 2 of them. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm looking at this like, listen, I know. I glued a thumbtack to the little plastic bibby bob. I tied it with some thread just to make sure it's staying secure, because it's gonna be hanging and the sheet's gonna be on it. You know, gravity. I want to make sure it don't fall apart. So this is what I made. Originally, I was gonna hot glue these little pieces that I ripped off my hanger to the bobby pin. Girl, I was gonna hot glue it to the thumbtack, but I was like, I don't know, that don't seem like it would be sturdy enough, because we do have to take into account gravity. So this is what I came up with. You gotta really be thinking on your noodles when you coming up with random stuff. So I did the thinking so you don't got to. So the plan is, I'm just gonna stick everything in the wall and I'm gonna slide the sheet up in there, and that's gonna do what it do. I wasn't even gonna record this, but I was like, why not? So I got my sheet. I attempted to bleach it. It's still really dingy. I probably had it all my life. This is the sheet. The stench of bleach is just like lingering off of it, but it's not white. That's like dirty white. That's like white that been kicked around in the dust type. Like, it been out in a sandstorm. This ain't white. So I'm thinking, like, how can you dye something and you ain't got no dye? I don't know. I'm about to figure something out. I'm thinking, like, I have no idea. I got this Adorn hair dye. Yes, hair dye. So I just got an idea. Hold on. Hear me out, y'all. Hear me out. I'm gonna get a tub of hot water. I'm gonna pour some of the pink dye in there. Like I'm about to dye a wig or something. I'm gonna put the sheet in there, and like, it should get like a blush pink kind of color. That's what color this is. So I hope it'll come out cute. Anything will be cuter than dingy. Let me stop playing. I'm about to fill this tub up with some hot water. We're gonna pour this dye in there. We're gonna stuff this sheet in there, and that's just gonna be like pink. I think my sister did something like this with her little outfit, and I was like, who uses hair dye to dye clothes? But it was a good idea, so I'm gonna try it. Out of it. Oh my goodness, this brush making a mess. Did I do something? I don't think I did it. Let's try some more. Yeah, we need this pink. So this is real cute. This is like the color I had in my head, like blush pink. So that's cool. I'm gonna wring this out and I'm gonna throw it in the dryer. Y'all, I am so excited. Oh my goodness. The color turned out just how I wanted it. Like a soft, blushy pink color. Like, you know what I mean? Oh my goodness. So, I'm actually glad I did that. I don't gotta worry about it being dingy no more. So, we're on to phase 2 of the project. You see the background? I want to hang it from the ceiling. I'm going to climb up there somehow and thumbtack this up and then connect the sheet to the thumbtack connected to the hanger. You know you're gonna see. Y'all, so I'm trying to figure out how I want to put it up on the ceiling. Hot dog or hamburger? You know, the short way or the long way? I don't know what it is. I'm about to measure how long the sheet is real quick and then transfer those measurements to the ceiling before I do anything permanent, you know? Matter of fact, I'm just about to, I don't know. I think I'm just about to wing it though. I don't know, I think I'm about to just wing it. I'm tired. It's hot.
Oh my god!
So it fell right out the ceiling. Okay. It didn't work, y'all. It fell right out the ceiling. I need something like either keep it up on the ceiling or hot glue another thumbtack right here so I can press it into the wall. I don't know. Alright, y'all, so I got an idea. I'm about to use the environment around me. I'm thinking I'm gonna hot glue another thumbtack to the side, press that into the wall so the sheet can slide up in it and while it's on the wall. And I'm gonna use the ceiling to hang the sheet, the other half. Like, it's gonna come together. I turned it to the side. Instead of like hot gluing another one on, I just flipped it to the side and I slid the sheet right in it, and it's pretty sturdy. So that's good. Now I gotta figure out what to do with this side because as y'all can see, it's just ceiling over here. There's no more wall. So I'm thinking connecting it to a light fixture up here. It's no light bulbs in there, so I could do that. Now I gotta figure out how. It's so hot in here. Bro, I'm about to sweat my hair off. It's so hot. I found this ribbon, right? So I'm thinking I'm gonna make a hole in the sheet, slide the ribbon through, connect it to a light fixture, and that should keep it up and at a reasonable level. Y'all can see me struggling just a little. Need some scissors. It can work. Okay. I think I'm gonna cut this like that. So that works. I made a hole. Now let's feed the ribbon through. Boom. Okay. Boom. Boom. Now we just figure out what to do from here. I think I did it. Y'all, it is so hot in here. I think I did it though. So I cut a hole in the sheet, tied it to the light fixture. The other half over here on the wall. See, I turned it sideways and then just stuck it through. So this is what the whole back side looks like. It's a little wrinkly, but the front, it's looking okay. I'm thinking maybe we could do something in the middle. Yeah, something in the middle so it don't be saggy. We'll figure it out. So I did it. It's better than nothing. I'm gonna do something here so it's not wrinkly, but it's not looking bad. Okay, it's not bad. It's a start. You know, it was free. Y'all know this is a cute little simple little something little. Listen, so this is what my little free DIY backdrop is looking like. I think it looked better like I straightened that out up there because it's leaning in since nothing's holding it up, but it's not bad. I'm gonna fix that, and it's a little dark because it's nighttime. But it's not bad at all. It's a start. More than anything else, it's a start. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in the morning, but for the most part, this is it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Sorry if I'm moving the camera too much. I got a very shaky hand. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment, leave me a little comment. Tell me what you would have did if you think this is creative. And you don't gotta tell me, I know it's creative. Until I could get a better one, this one isn't bad. And it's a blushy pink situation. Like, it's not the worst, but it'll get me to where I need to be for right now. So yeah, leave a comment, leave a like, tell me what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.